Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then what you have to do is to just press power key and volume down at the same time for for about a second, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down, press at the same time, and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshot in gallery in the screenshots section here, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.